One day, may nakausap akong mas successful sa akin with millions of followers on social media. Kilala mo tong tao na to. I was in his house in Rizal and he asked me a simple question about my business. And I couldn't answer it. Nahihiya ako inside. But this time, instead of pretending na may alam ako, sabi ko sa kanya, actually, hindi ko alam eh. Can you help me? Few words lang yon, but it was not easy to admit and say those words. And it turned out to be the most important. Because from that day, nagbago ang lahat. I finally changed my marketing that I ignored for many years. I asked advice from people who are younger than me. Reach out to them and ask their opinions and experiences. I found a mentor and paid for it properly. Tinanggal ko yung yabang o yung thinking na alam ko na yan and replace it with turuan mo nga ako. Pero alam mo kung ano yung pinakamalaki kong natutunan? Hindi yung tactics, hindi yung content marketing. Yung humility. You see, yung pera, sumusunod yan sa skill. At yung skill, sumusunod yan sa humility. Yan ang order. Kaya hindi pwedeng broke ka na, mayabang ka pa. My friend, kung broke ka ngayon, okay lang. Because that's just temporary eh. Pero maybe, that is not the root of the problem. Yung yabang na pumipigil sa iyong matuto, yun ang maaaring problema. So buksan mo ang palad mo. Learn new things. Be a student of life. If you do that, doon magbabago ang lahat.